Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact JBL earbud model and that you have the charging case ready. This matters because some models only power off in the case. Next, stop any audio and move both earbuds close together so Bluetooth isn't actively streaming. Once done, if you have a case, immediately place each earbud in its slot. Make sure they click in. If no case, prepare to use the physical or touch controls next. This first action triggers the shutdown sequence. You now execute the actual power-off method specific to your model. If you put them in the case, watch the LED. A change or extinction means they entered low power or off. This happens because the case cuts power. Alternatively, hold the physical button for about 3 to 8 seconds until the light blinks or a voice confirms power off. Make sure you hold firmly to register the long press. For touch control models, tap and hold the sensor per the manual until you hear the shut. Finish by checking the status. You should see no LEDs and your phone's Bluetooth must show the earbuds disconnected, which confirms they are off. Then store them in the case with the lid closed to prevent accidental wake-ups and save battery. If they won't turn off, try a factory reset or hold both earbud buttons for 10 to 15 seconds. This forces shutdown by rebooting internal firmware. If problems persist, update firmware or contact JBL support for a hardware check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.